All right, folks, what I'd like to do now is go through and look at, in this case, this is the answer sheet that they actually provide you. And this is the one for Joanna's birthday party. And I'd already created a set of model answers of my own. I have done things a bit differently, but I've also noticed looking at their answers, they actually include some things that I think actually probably quite wise to include if you can. I'd also include things that they don't have. So the first of those is the things I didn't probably emphasize enough are the following. So what you'd want to have here is first of all points of intersection. So this point of intersection here, for example, um, well, let's start with this one here. There's a point of intersection here, yeah. And if you're comparing New Planet, which is the thick black line, with the horizontal line of Countback, you would say, and at this point, by the way, is 6, 12. I'm actually going to put 6, 12 here. 6, 12 there. That's the coordinate of that point of intersection. And then what you want to say is, for that point, and I'm actually going to write this on the side here, actually. I'll write it on here. Yeah. So I'm going to say, let's see the best way of saying this. I'll say it verbally first. So, if the delivery, when comparing, I'll write that. Here we go. When comparing New Planet to Countback, NP, New Planet, is cheaper for distances less than, and what have we got here? 6 kilometers. So just less than 6 kilometers, it's cheaper. And more expensive for distances, I'll put dist, that are greater than 6 kilometers. At what 6, 12, I put here point of intersection. The cost of delivery is the same. All right, so that's what I would put regarding that point. And the same goes for this point here, for example, and this point here, for example, and this point. So this point definitely, and there's 3 points. You just want to say what they are. You also want to say what this is. It starts at $6. It starts at $8. It starts at $12. Yeah. Now the other thing which you need to say, so that is thing number one. The second thing, which I'll talk about in the next video, is about domains. So I'll just talk about that. Yeah, and this is something, by the way, which isn't actually mentioned at all in the actual answer they have. And yet I had a chat with the person who's actually assessing these, and she says that you do need to have this if you're going to have a line which is not a continuous line. Yeah, so I'll talk about that in the next video.